What is up, YouTube? What is going on? I am Millie X and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about my company, myself, what you can expect from this channel, and why did I make the decision to come to YouTube? Why? Let's go. Let's put a switch like that. All right, we're gonna switch it right here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that intro. We actually just shot that a few days ago right in my kitchen. And if you like Starbucks, look alike. Might do something with the algorithm on YouTube. What's up, Starbucks? How you doing? Not just playing. But no, listen. Let's dive right into it, y'all. Right off the top, before I even get into any of this, I am a straight up goofball, okay? I'm a goofball. So please, if you like have those personalities, just like,
it's been hard in America. It's been tough.
please remove yourself from this channel, because this channel right here got energy. You hear me? We got energy over here. Why? Because we're living our dreams. Yes, we are. We're living our dreams. Long story short, I was born in Anchorage, Alaska. After Anchorage, Alaska, my family and I, we moved to Greensboro, North Carolina. Why was I born in Anchorage, Alaska? Because my dad, he was in the military. After living in Alaska, we moved to Greensboro, North Carolina, where I was raised by two awesome parents. And I am the oldest of three. My family, we do come from a background of business owners. So our family was really focused on business, and we grew up with them owning businesses, but it wasn't always like that. My dad, he did start off working in a mill, and then eventually, you know, he got into business, and it took off from there. I started my company in high school. It started out as Platinum World Entertainment, and then it switched over to like Star Anthem Films, and now we're Millie X Media. And we'll get into like names and branding and how important it is, because it's extremely important. We'll get into all of that later. After high school and my production company and everything like that, I moved to Las Vegas, where I currently live at now. The beautiful city of Las Vegas, right? Wow, entertainment capital of the world, right? It's awesome here. Plenty of opportunity. There's a ton of opportunities. Definitely different from the East Coast, just slightly. But I'm getting used to it, and I like it. I've been here for years now, so apparently I like it. But anyway, I live here, and I currently run my production company, Millie X Media, and we have produced over hundreds of videos. Can you believe it? Hundreds. For people that you may even heard of, like Soulja Boy, Cuban Dog, John Gabbana, aka Boom Gang, Eddie Griffin. We've worked with companies like Def Jam, Atlantic Records, and Vlad TV, and the E Network. I mean, the list goes on. We have worked with a ton of people, and I started this company all by myself. No handouts, just all willpower and just the determination to just want to go get it. Just want to win and just want to really become successful. With that, I did what you guys are doing right now. I went straight to YouTube and I went straight to the field. Trial and error is the best coach, is the best teacher to me. With this channel, that's exactly what I want to bring to you all. I want to show you every aspect of production, every aspect of it, from when a client gives us a song, or when a client gives us an idea, what do we do with it? What is the process after that? We get approved from a budget, from a label. What is the process after that? What is production? What is pre-production? What is post-production? What is a treatment? You know, what is a script? What is a screenplay? What is a gimbal? What is a rig? And the differences between DSLRs and cinema cameras, and just everything you need to know about filmmaking, you're going to learn it here. And not only will you learn about filmmaking, but I'm going to teach you also about business, how to run a business, how to brand your business, how to market your business, how do you actually start a business, and how do you pay yourself from your business, how does the company get paid, like expenses, just everything. You're gonna learn it here. It's our obligation as creators to spread knowledge and to teach other, filmmakers and like yourself. You may be experienced, or you may be just now getting into this industry and you want to learn filmmaking, and you want to get your feet wet to kind of see if it's even for you. This channel is perfect for all individuals. Because one thing I've learned about filmmaking throughout my years, and I've been filmmaking for the past 16 years, one thing I've learned is you never stop learning. In this industry, you never stop learning. Everything literally changes all the time. At one point, it was all about the red camera. It was all about the red, and still is. The red camera still holds a ton of weight, but now we have the Aries, now we got the Alexas, and you have the Sonys now, and DSLRs right now is killing the game. But we're gonna get into all of that, reviews, and oh man, I'm just so excited, y'all. I'm just so excited. There's a ton of stuff, man, that you can actually expect from this channel. I just want to see everybody win. I want to see just everyone just really take their company to that next level, and just the excitement that you feel, when you've built something from your own hands and you're running it every single day, and you see it growing. It's just exciting, and that feeling is something that I want everyone to feel, because filmmaking for me is a lifestyle. I believe everyone can really win in this industry. I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much. I just want to kind of introduce myself, talk a little bit about my channel, talk a little bit about what you can expect from this channel. Oh, why did I come to YouTube? I just simply want to spread knowledge and just see other people win. One thing to be aware of, never hold back knowledge. Like if you know something, tell someone, teach someone, because you never know, so that's why I came to YouTube. Everyone I know tells me, Millie, you should go to YouTube, go to YouTube, go to YouTube, man, start a masterclass, do something, help, man, your work is awesome. How do you do it? So I came to YouTube to show you how I do it. And I want this YouTube channel to be something different. You're gonna witness me going on sets. You're gonna witness how our conversations are when it comes to companies, individuals, independent artists, signed artists. This levels to everything, not even artists. What about a wedding? What about a TV commercial? What about just a vlog or a workout commercial or a sports event? We do it all. And everything here, you're gonna learn it. As we all know, knowledge is everything. And content right now specifically is king. And I have came to YouTube, and I'm gonna be here dropping a video every Friday, starting this Friday. And as things pick up, we may start dropping videos every Monday, Tuesday, or Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I don't know how we're gonna do it yet. This is the first video. I just want to introduce myself, and subscribe now. Hit that notification button, because you definitely do not want to miss any updates. I promise you. This right here is definitely going to be worth your time. You guys stay tuned. Keep on creating. Please keep creating. Don't stop creating. And my word of advice for any new filmmaker is just go out and create. Take whatever camera you have and go create. Because it's not about the camera. It's about the person behind it. You guys stay tuned.